Hi everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, I'll be sharing my experience taking an online personality test from the website 16 Personality Test. This part of our assignment. And after answering the test, I found out that my personality type is INFJ/T, also known as advocate. In this vlog, I will discuss what makes the test interactive, whether I think the site is trustworthy, if the results are believable, and how the site come up with this result. So let's start. First, what makes the test interactive is that it asks situational and reflective questions that are related to real-life experiences. Instead of answering simple yes or no question, the test uses a scale from strongly agree to strongly disagree, which allows you to express your thought and feelings more accurately. This makes the test more engaging and encourages self-reflection. Second, I think the site is fairly trustworthy because it provides clear and detailed explanation about each personality type. It explains not only the strength but also the weaknesses and behavior patterns, which makes the result more understandable. However, I also believe that the test should be treated as a guide and not as a final or professional psychological diagnosis. Third, I found the result believable because many of the traits described in the INFJ/T personality type match my personality in real life. The description about being empathetic, introspective, and driven by purpose feels accurate and relatable to how I think and interact with other people. Lastly, the site comes up with a result by analyzing the answer given throughout the personality test. It based on the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator or MBTI framework, which identifies personality through the four main traits: introversion or extroversion, intuitive or sensing, feeling or thinking, and judging or prospecting. Along with whether a person is turbulent or assertive. All these factors are combined to determine the personality type. And that's all with my experiences with the 16 personality test. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video.